Have you ever imagined a world where a part of the sun simply breaks off? It might sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, but this is a real phenomenon that scientists are trying to understand. It's called solar prominence, and it's as captivating as it is perplexing. Solar prominence is a large, bright, gaseous feature extending outward from the sun's surface, often in a loop shape. It's made up of plasma, a hot, highly ionized, electrically charged gas. Now, you might be thinking, wait, how can a part of the sun, a burning ball of fire, just break off? Well, it's not as simple as a piece of rock breaking off from a mountain. It's a complex process involving the sun's magnetic field and its plasma. This occurrence is not random. It follows a pattern, happening every 11 years at a 55-degree latitude. This pattern is tied to the reversal of the sun's magnetic field, a natural cycle that our sun goes through. Scientists believe that these solar prominences are somehow linked to this magnetic field reversal, but the exact nature of this relationship is still something of a mystery. Now, these solar prominences are not small by any means. They can stretch thousands of miles into space, making them visible from Earth during a solar eclipse. But what's more intriguing is that these prominences don't just break off and disappear into space. They follow the sun's magnetic field, looping back into the sun, creating a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. It was in 2023 that NASA's James Webb Telescope captured this phenomenon in unprecedented detail, giving scientists a rare glimpse into this captivating event. It's like watching a slow-motion cosmic ballet, where a part of the sun dances away, only to be pulled back by the invisible strings of the sun's magnetic field. In 2023, NASA's James Webb Telescope gave us a glimpse of this intriguing event. And ever since, scientists have been trying to unravel the mysteries of solar prominences, their origin, their behavior, and their impact on our understanding of the sun. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's marvel at the cosmic spectacle of solar prominences, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our sun. So what happens when a piece of the sun breaks off? Well, in February 2023, the James Webb Telescope bore witness to an astronomical spectacle. A piece of the sun was peeled right off and swept up in a polar vortex around its north pole. Quite the celestial ballet, don't you think? Now, this isn't just any piece we're talking about. It's a solar prominence, a massive gaseous structure in the sun's atmosphere, made up of plasma. Picture a fiery, swirling dance of charged particles, held together by magnetic fields. Suddenly, for reasons yet unknown, this prominence broke off and was caught in a polar vortex, a swirling cyclone of solar winds. This event is significant because it happens every 11 years at the 55-degree latitude. Why, you ask? It's due to the reversal of the sun's magnetic field. Yes, like Earth, the sun too has a magnetic field, and it flips its poles every 11 years. But this time, something extraordinary happened. The scientists, including space weather physicist Tamitha Skov, were intrigued by this event. They saw it as a rare opportunity to delve deeper into the sun's atmospheric dynamics. The sun's atmosphere, or corona, is a hotbed of mystery, and this event may hold the key to unlocking some of its secrets. But what caused this solar prominence to break off? Was it a random fluke, or is there a pattern we're not seeing? These questions keep our scientists awake at night. The sun, in all its fiery glory, continues to surprise and baffle us. In fact, solar physicist Scott McIntosh noticed an unusual movement towards the solar poles every 11-year cycle. Could this be related to the broken solar prominence? The answer is not clear yet. The only certainty is that our star is far more dynamic and unpredictable than we thought. The cause of this event remains a mystery, leaving the scientific community baffled. What role does the sun's magnetic field reversal play in this phenomenon, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into it. The sun's magnetic field is a complex entity that is constantly in motion. It's not static, like the magnetic field of a refrigerator magnet. Instead, it's a dynamic, ever-changing force that influences everything from solar flares to the paths of charged particles in space. Now, the sun's magnetic field doesn't just change on a whim. It follows a regular cycle, reversing its polarity roughly every 11 years. This cycle is known as the solar cycle, and it's a fundamental part of our sun's behavior. But here's where it gets interesting. During this magnetic field reversal, unusual movements towards the solar poles have been observed. This movement appears to be linked to the event we've been discussing, the breaking off of a piece of the sun. Why does this happen? Well, scientists believe that the magnetic field reversal triggers changes in the sun's surface and atmosphere. These changes can lead to the formation of solar prominences, large, bright features that extend outward from the sun's surface. When these prominences become unstable, they can break off and be carried away by the sun's magnetic field. In the case of the event captured by the James Webb Telescope, the prominence broke off and was swept up in a polar vortex around the sun's north pole. This is a rare and fascinating occurrence that has scientists scratching their heads and eagerly collecting data. So what's the connection between the magnetic field reversal and this event? Well, it seems that the reversal might be creating the conditions for these prominences to form and break away. However, the exact mechanisms and implications are still not entirely understood. The sun's magnetic field reversal is a significant factor in this event, yet the complete understanding of this phenomenon is still out of grasp. Despite this, scientists are tirelessly working to unravel the mysteries of our sun and its effects on our solar system. Is this event dangerous for us and our Earth? This question likely hovers in the back of your mind, a testament to our innate human curiosity and concern for our home planet. So, let's delve into the possible impacts of this solar event on Earth. First, we need to understand that the Sun and Earth are inextricably linked through the solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the Sun. These particles interact with Earth's magnetic field, causing phenomena like the beautiful northern and southern lights. However, when a piece of the Sun breaks off, this solar wind can intensify, potentially leading to what we call a solar storm. Now, solar storms are not a rarity, but their intensity can vary, and an event like this could possibly give rise to a particularly strong one. What does this mean for us? Well, a severe solar storm can affect the Earth's electromagnetic field, disrupting satellite communications and power grids. Imagine, if you will, a world suddenly plunged into darkness, with no electricity, no internet, no GPS. That's the extreme scenario. As for the Earth's climate, the effects are less straightforward. Solar radiation is a key player in our planet's temperature regulation. A significant change in solar activity could, in theory, influence our climate. However, the extent of this influence is a topic of ongoing debate among scientists. Yet it's crucial to remember that these are potential scenarios based on our current understanding of solar dynamics. The Sun is a complex celestial body, and its interactions with the Earth are equally complex. While potentially significant, the impact of this event on Earth remains speculative at best. So while it's important to study and understand these solar events, there's no need to pack up and head for the bunkers just yet. We're still here under the same sun, continuing our journey around the galaxy. What are scientists doing to understand this phenomenon? Well, they are leaving no stone unturned in their quest to decipher this enigma. Leading the charge is the James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's most powerful telescope to date. In February of 2023, it captured this rare event where a piece of the sun, a solar prominence made of plasma, broke away and was swept up in a polar vortex around the sun's north pole. This event is significant as it occurs every 11 years at the 55-degree latitude due to the reversal of the sun's magnetic field. It's intriguing scientists all over the world, including space weather physicist Tamitha Skov, who are trying to understand the implications for the sun's atmospheric dynamics. But the James Webb Space Telescope isn't alone in this endeavor. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory and IRIS spacecraft are also playing a crucial role. However, a burst water pipe at Stanford University's server room caused extensive damage to their data processing equipment, leading to a delay in data processing and distribution. The good news is that the repairs are expected to be completed by this year, which means new data should be forthcoming. Solar physicist Scott McIntosh has noted the unusual movement towards the solar poles every 11-year cycle. The cause of this event remains unclear, but it's believed to be related to the sun's magnetic field reversal. The scientific community is united in their efforts to unravel this mystery, and every new piece of information brings us a step closer to understanding this complex star that our life on Earth depends upon. So, while parts of the sun breaking off may sound alarming, remember that the world's top minds are on it, using every resource at their disposal to understand this phenomenon. They are continuously working, analyzing, and studying to ensure that we are prepared and not caught off guard. Scientists are continuously working to unravel the mystery of this solar event. What could be the future implications of such an event? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our universe, the sun's recent incident of a solar prominence breaking away and forming a polar vortex gives us a fresh perspective. This unique event, occurring every 11 years at the 55-degree latitude, could be a crucial key to understanding the sun's atmospheric dynamics in more detail. The first implication is the possibility of predicting these solar events. If scientists can understand the patterns and triggers of these ruptures, it could lead to more accurate forecasting of solar activity. This, in turn, could help us prepare for any potential solar storms that might impact Earth. Secondly, this event could provide insights into the sun's magnetic field reversal. The sun's magnetic field plays a major role in shaping our solar system's space weather. Understanding its reversal mechanism could have significant implications for studying other celestial bodies and their magnetic fields. Thirdly, the broken piece of the sun whirling around as a polar vortex could help us better understand the sun's polar regions, which have remained largely unexplored. It could shed light on the processes that drive these regions and their role in the overall solar dynamics. Lastly, the study of this event could contribute to our understanding of the sun's influence on Earth's climate. It's known that the sun's activity can affect our planet's weather patterns. By studying such solar events, we might be able to model the sun's future behavior and its potential impact on Earth's climate. The future implications of such solar events are vast and varied. They could open new horizons in our exploration of the sun, helping us prepare for solar events, comprehend the sun's magnetic field, and understand the sun's role in shaping Earth's climate. The future might hold more mysteries about our sun, waiting to be discovered. So, a piece of the sun has broken off. What's next? We've journeyed through the intricacies of the sun's life, witnessed the breakaway of a solar prominence, a major piece of our star, and dived into the complexities of the sun's magnetic field reversal. We've pondered the potential impact on Earth and the importance of ongoing research. Now, let's wrap our cosmic adventure by summarizing these astonishing revelations. A solar prominence, a large, bright feature extending outward from the sun's surface, broke away in a rare event captured by NASA's James Webb Telescope. This phenomenon, as mystifying as it is, happens every 11 years at the 55-degree latitude due to the sun's magnetic field reversal. This reversal is a regular part of the sun's cycle, but its intricacies still baffle scientists. The broken piece, rotating around the sun like a polar vortex, poses no immediate danger to Earth. However, it does pique our curiosity about the sun's atmospheric dynamics and the potential implications of such events. The ongoing research by solar physicists like Tamitha Skov and Scott McIntosh is crucial to our understanding of these solar phenomena. Unforeseen incidents like the water pipe burst at Stanford University's server room, causing a delay in data processing for NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, remind us of the challenges faced in this field. But rest assured, our scientists are working tirelessly to overcome these hurdles and continue their invaluable work. The mysteries of the sun, the center of our solar system, are vast and profound. Every discovery, every observation brings us a step closer to understanding our universe. As we plunge deeper into the enigmas of the cosmos, we are reminded of our place in the universe and the infinite wonders it holds. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the sun, one thing is certain: our universe is far more fascinating and unpredictable than we could ever imagine. As we draw this cosmic journey to a close, we hope you've enjoyed this dive into the mysteries of the sun and the universe. The world of science is ever evolving, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding the profound intricacies of our universe. The revelations we've discussed today are just a glimpse into the vast expanse of knowledge waiting to be explored. If you've learned something new from this video, or if it sparked your curiosity about the universe, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback and engagement are what drive us to delve deeper and bring you more fascinating content. So please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you've got questions or opinions, let's start a conversation. And if you want to stay updated with more such intriguing facts and stories about our universe, don't forget to subscribe to Fact Fusion. We've got a lot more to share, and we're excited to have you on this journey with us. Remember, every share, every like, every subscription helps us reach more people, inspiring curiosity and fostering a love for science. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and families. Let's keep the spirit of discovery alive together. In the world of science, every day is a new adventure. Stay curious, stay fascinated, and as always, keep exploring.